I always like to hire and work with and around people who are younger than me. So I kind of have my finger on the pulse, like what's cool, what's hip, what's going on right now. And I said, hey, what do we do? Because I can't get an Nalgene. What do I do? One of the employees said, SIG. You got to get this aluminum bottle called SIG. I said, okay, great. So I went over to Patagonia on the North Shore where I was living at the time in Oahu, bought a really expensive aluminum water bottle. And I realized I couldn't fit my ice cubes in it. I couldn't put it in the freezer. I dropped it. This gold stuff on the inside flaked off. I called them. I asked them, what's this gold stuff? They were really rude. They wouldn't tell me. No. And when they were rude, they almost like kind of like hung up on me. And I remember thinking, okay, it's on like Donkey Kong. Here we go. Then I found a single wall bottle that was just starting to kind of come out into mass production. So I thought, okay, well, maybe I don't need to do this. I'll just get one of these metal water bottles instead. Bought one, drank out of it. It ran all over my shirt, all over my face. It was just ergonomically non-correct. And it would be so hot, I couldn't drink the water by the time I got back from surfing. So I was like, we got to do something different. And I remembered my grandpa had an old school thermos that had glass on the inside and metal on the outside, and it stunk and was really heavy. But I was like, well, why can't we just do metal and metal and make it a water bottle? So that was kind of my first idea as to double wall vacuum insulation could possibly work on a sports bottle, drink bottle. And then I took off to China to go make that happen.